polynomials. So if this factors, and there's no guarantee that any of these factor, but if it factors, it's going to factor into the product of two binomials such that the two expressions that go here multiply and give me x. Okay, well that's going to be x and x. Now I just need to look for two numbers to multiply and get negative 15 and add and get negative 2. So I'm thinking about 15, well it's 1 times 15, okay that doesn't look like it's going to work because no combination of 1 and 15 added or subtracted together is going to give me negative 2. So then I think of 3 times 5. Okay, well I'm on the right track because I know the difference between 3 and 5 is 2, or the difference of 5 and 3 is 2. Somehow I can subtract those two and end up with a 2. So how about if we do this? I'll say one of the numbers is 3, the other one is 5, and now let's see, when I multiply in here, I'm going to get 3 times x, whatever that sign is I'll have here, and when I multiply out here, I'm going to get 5x. Well, how can I add those two and have that come out to be negative 2x, which is what I want for my middle term? Well, if these are going to add up to negative 2x, that means the 5x has to be negative and the 3x has to be positive. Well, for the 5x to be negative like that, this has got to be a negative sign here because that term came from 5 times x. So I want my negative sign here and my positive sign here, subtraction and addition. Let's just check. Positive 3 times x, positive 3x, x times negative 5, negative 5x. Sure enough, those add up to negative 2x, and positive 3 times negative 5 gives me negative 15. So I've done it. I've factored that polynomial into x plus 3 times x minus 5. Negative 2x, which is what I want for my middle term. Well, if these are